Hey there, foodies. Welcome back to another exciting video. Today, we're diving into the world of desserts with a scrumptious gulabjamun recipe. Sugar for cup, water for cup, yellow food color, a pinch, green cardamom 5 to 6. Put all ingredients together and cook till sugar grains dissolve. Syrup is ready. You can go with the ratio of 3 to 3 if you don't want to use extra sugar. It will not affect the sweetness of jamuns, but it's convenient. You can use remaining sugar syrup in halwa, vermicelli, and in Zarda. Ingredients for balls: milk powder, 2 cups, plain flour, 2 tablespoons, semolina 1 tablespoon, baking powder, 2 teaspoons, cardamom powder, a half teaspoon. Mix all dry ingredients, then add in wet ingredients. 2 eggs, oil to tablespoon, or you can use ghee, but it should be melted and cold. Quantity will be same as oil if using ghee. All ingredients should be at room temperature. Mix all ingredients very well and knead a soft and non-sticky dough. Here I am not increasing the speed of video. This is the original speed, so you can see how I am making the dough. Just mix the ingredients and combining the dough. Don't knead this like chapati or pizza dough. If you feel your dough is dry and crumbly, add more beaten egg, and if you feel your dough is sticky, add little flour. It happens sometimes due to the size of eggs. Mine is perfect. I don't need to add flour or egg. Mix it slowly. Don't panic if it's sticking to your hands. Have some patience and see all the process to avoid any fails of your recipe. Combine it all together and then make balls. Make sure your dough should be smooth when you roll in your palm to make balls. Make small and even round or oval balls. Balls should be crack-free. I am putting these balls in the same bowl. You can use a separate plate for them. Make sure there shouldn't any crumbs of dough on the balls when you put in oil for frying, if you're using the same bowl like me. Heat oil in a wok until lukewarm. Oil should not be too hot. Check oil temperature by adding a small piece of dough. If small bubbles appear on the sides of the balls, it's ready for frying. Or you can check by dipping back of wooden spoon. There will also appear small bubbles. Fry these balls on slow flame. Soon these balls expand to twice of its original size. Move the wok slowly or move with spoon. Lightly rotate the spoon only on the surface of balls in a circular motion. Fry until these balls' color turns into nice golden brown. Add these balls immediately into the sugar syrup. Soak in sugar syrup for 15 minutes. And there you have it, a mouth-watering gulabjamun recipe that will impress your friends and family. Thanks for joining me on this sweet journey. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you loved it. See how soft and perfect are these? Make sure to hit that subscribe button for more tasty recipes coming your way soon. Happy cooking, everyone!